In addition to admiring beautiful pictures of space, you can also listen to their sonic representations, also known as sonifications. By converting images into eerie sounds, they illustrate the wonders and strange phenomena of our universe. NASA's latest sonification illustrates the rings of X-rays that have been observed echoing round a black hole in the V404 Signee system. As you listen to the sonification, you will hear the melodious sounds of background stars, where each star visible in the optical spectrum is translated into a note. In addition, X-ray bursts forming rings around the black hole produce a scratchy sound. Thanks for watching.